In this video, I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. First, go to WhatsApp on your Android phone. Tap the three dots above. Tap Link Devices. Tap Link a device. Enter your screen lock password or fingerprint. Now go to WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap the three dots above. Tap Link as a companion device. Now scan the iPhone's QR code from your Android phone. All WhatsApp data will be transferred from Android to iPhone within seconds. This is how you can transfer all WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone.